Well, for Cucumber, we are definitely gonna use the latest one. So if you come to, if you search for download Eclipse, you can definitely come here in this page and you can download the latest Eclipse version. But latest Eclipse version works with latest Java version. So make sure you have Java 21. Okay. Now, some of you might asking, um, I have Eclipse. Can I work on that? It's better to, if you install it this year, that means you got the latest one already. But if it is very old, it's better to update it. And once you update it, the time you're going to install it, you're going to see that you will have a prompt like this. And in this part, it is written JRE21. JRE means Java Runtime Library and Java 21 plus virtual machine. So you need to have Java 21 plus in your local. So yeah, I'm turning on the Eclipse, but it's fine. Let's see what Java version I do have in my local. So in search bar, write command prompt ready and write here Java dash version. As you see, I have 17. That means my one is not qualified. So I have to uninstall it and then install the new one. Okay, it's just asking me to run user workspace randomly. So I'm just launching it. So it's fine. Eclipse is in the background. I don't need to worry about it. So let's work with Java. Okay, so you have to search add or remove programs here, right? So you have to search it and click on that, add or remove programs. Correct. So once it opens, it will be like this, and from here, it opened the wrong thing. Just a sec. Add or okay. Let's see. Now it should open. Okay, it opened now. Now to uninstall old Java, you need to write down Java here. If you don't have Java, skip this part. Later I'm gonna show you how to download and install Java. So I have multiple Java. You can see I don't need these many Javas. Just click and uninstall all of them. You just need one Java in your computer, right? It will take some time, so I'm gonna wait till it uninstalls. Well, so I have already uninstalled all of them, so I don't have any Java in my system now. Okay, so now what should I do? First of all, I should go to my Google Chrome and download the latest Java. So let me close other tabs from here. Okay, JDK download. Okay. You can see right JDK download, Java download. Okay, so here if you click on Java downloads, it's gonna tell you Java 25, 21 and earlier versions below. I can go for Java 25, but I don't need that. I'm okay with Java 21. Go to Windows. Okay, so I have clicked on Java 21. Okay, then clicked on Windows. Then you can install it. The only reason I'm doing it, you can download the latest version too, but I worked with 21. I know how it works. That's why I'm downloading it. And our Eclipse is gonna work with 21, so I'm doing it now. But you can try that too. There is nothing wrong to try the latest version of that one, Java 25 or whatever. Okay, so our Eclipse is by default ran 21, so I'm gonna try 21. Clicking on download button here. Okay, 64 install. So I'm clicking on it. Okay, 64 installer, and I'm clicking here. Okay, so it already, so I have this download manager. You might not have it, you might have a different thing, but it's okay. So open that. Once it is downloaded, it's gonna ask you a prompt, click yes and go for installation. So when I'm installing, it's a very clean random install. So it will open this one. Next, make sure while it is getting installed, you see here it is getting installed in C, program files, Java, JDK. Just remember that program files, not program files 86. Okay, you need to know the path. So once you install it, it's pretty quick. So now it is telling you to go for next steps. We don't need that. Okay, our Java is installed, but you have to do another step, and it is a must and compulsory. That is, first of all, go to your that Java folder where you installed it, right? So locally C, program files. We have two program files. If you see one contains 86, we don't need to go there. We need to go to the first one. Let me make my screen a little bit bigger so that you can see more clearly. Okay. So then we are gonna go for Java. Here is the Java folder 21, and this is the place where I installed it. Now, once you see your bin folder, don't go inside it. See, just go get inside Java 21, click the link, copy it. Now you have to go to the edit environmental settings. I mean, you can go from here, or you can right click on your this PC, properties, right? And from right side you can see advanced system. Maybe in Windows 11 you can get it somewhere in the middle, somewhere here, right? Just look for this option, advanced system settings. Okay, so I'm clicking on that, and here is environment variables. Click on that. Now there is a top section and there is a bottom section. We need to go to the bottom section, and you are gonna see Java home. I mean, if you create it earlier, you're gonna see it. If you never created it, click on new. Okay, let me delete it and show you from the beginning. I have deleted it. There is no Java home. So I'm clicking on new button, writing caps lock Java underscore home, and variable value. Here just paste the path that you copied, the folder path. Just paste it. Click on OK. So your Java home is there. Okay, so and then what you need to do, there is a path section. It will always be there. Click on edit. You gonna see Java home path here. So we don't have Java home path here because I already deleted it. Don't worry about Oracle Java path. I'm not talking about this. So there should be a Java home path. So I'm gonna create a new. So Java underscore home. It is the exact thing that we just created. So we should write a percentage. Percentage means a regex. Here also I should give a percentage backslash bin. That just bin. That means now we are getting inside bin. There is a slash. You see, inside bin. Why did I use percentage here? So the folder might be there would be C colon backslash program files backslash blah 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 blah. So many things will be there, right? So I don't want to write that. That's why I just put percentage. And here also there can be so many things. I just put percentage slash bin. It means anything before, anything after. Okay, just do it. Click on OK. And I think we are good here. Now, same thing you need to do for Maven. So Java part, we are done. Now if you look for CMD, open and write Java space dash version, you should see latest one. So we have the latest one, 21 here, right? We are good. Now next part is Maven. Okay, next part is Maven install. I hope you already have that installed. It doesn't have to be any latest version or anything. It can be anywhere. So what you need to do to install Maven, I'm showing you the steps. So go to your browser and write download Maven for Windows. Okay. Now Apache Maven, you have to go there. Okay. Click on it. And then there can be multiple types of files, But what you need to do, you need to download only these one, binary zip archive and the first one. Click on that, download it. It will be archive folder. Then you have to create a folder in your, you can put it anywhere though, but what I love to do, I always try to create a folder called project. Here I have create a folder called Maven, right? You can do it. You can create a folder called Maven. You can download it here. It will be like that. Unzip it. Right click, extract to, click this one. Okay. So it will be here. Or Windows, if it is Windows 11, you have to right click on it and you should see extract all. Okay. So click on it. It will be here. Apache Maven 3.9.b, right? Go inside that in the same way. Okay, we are still not seeing the bin. Again, you have to go inside. Now you see the bin. At that point, you have to copy the whole path, copy it. Again, go to your environment variables from this PC. Create Maven home like this. I already created this one. You can click on create new, Maven underscore home, and then in the path, so once you save it, then you will have this path section. In the path, click on edit, and here also same thing, percent Maven underscore home, percent backslash bean, backslash bean, backslash. Okay. Click on OK. You might see apply here, but I have everything saved now. Yeah, so again, I'm telling you, if you don't have Maven home, delete it, create it newly. Name should be Maven home and variable should be your path. And if you already have it, then you should leave it. Okay, click on OK. So yeah, we are done. Now let's make sure if Maven is installed correctly like Java. So to check that, again go to CMD, mvn space dash version, right? If you put it, you should see your Maven version. Now, what is the reason that we added it in environment variables, right? Why did I copy pasted the things and all? Without doing that, you can run your code in Eclipse. But what is the exact purpose of doing it? See, now you have Eclipse, an editor tool that can help you to run your code. But usually, you don't need any editor tool to run code. To build code, to configure, to create test case, you need. But to run, you don't need. It will be definitely needed for running them from here. We're gonna run it from here because we need to set up pipeline. You're gonna learn it later. Your code needs to be run from anywhere in the world without Eclipse, without anything. So that's why we need to make this conversation setup. Now we have to have this here. So you already got it, right? With Eclipse, you can run anytime. But if you don't have Eclipse, that time also you can run from your command prompt if you have those environment variables set up correctly. Okay, we are done with this step. Now we will go and create our Maven project. Let's go to the next video.